Welcome to our C programming series. In today's video, we'll dive into an exciting overview of C programming. Whether you're a beginner or just curious about this legendary language, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll understand about the fascinating history of C and its real-world applications, and then we will learn why we should learn C programming and then how C stacks up against other programming languages. The history of C programming begins in the early 1970s at Bell Labs. Let's rewind to that era. 1972, the birth of C. C was created by Dennis Ritchie, a computer scientist at Bell Laboratories. Its primary goal was to improve the development of the Unix operating system. Fun fact, before C, there was a language called B, developed by Ken Thompson, which heavily influenced C. Why was C created? Unix, an operating system, needed a flexible, portable, and efficient language. C replaced assembly language to make software development easier and less hardware dependent. Developments over time. C laid the groundwork for many later languages. It inspired languages like C++, Java, Python, and more. It was standardized in 1989 by NSI and later updated in 1990 by ISO. Did you know? C is considered the mother of most modern programming languages. Applications of C. Now that we know its origins, let's explore where C is used in the real world. Spoiler, it's almost everywhere. First is operating systems. C powers critical components of operating systems like Windows, Linux, and even macOS. The majority of Unix itself is written in C. Second is embedded systems. Think of your microwaves, washing machines, or even the engine control system in cars. These rely heavily on C because of its speed and efficiency. Third is game development. Games require high performance and efficient memory management. Game engines like Unreal Engine use C or C++ for their cores. Fourth is databases. Popular databases like MySQL are written in C, highlighting its importance in handling data and backend systems. Fifth is compilers and interpreters. Even programming languages like Python, Java, and others have components or interpreters written in C. Why learn C? Okay, so C is great and all. But why should you learn C? Let me give you a few compelling reasons. First is foundation of programming. C teaches you the fundamentals of programming like memory management, pointers, and logic building. These are transferable skills for almost every language. Second is portability and efficiency. C is a machine-independent language. Code written in C can run on multiple hardware platforms with little to no modification. Third is understanding the core. Learning C helps you understand how computers actually work under the hood. This is especially helpful if you plan to dive into areas like operating systems or hardware programming. Fourth is demand in industries. C is still highly relevant, especially in industries like robotics, IoT, and system software. Fifth is gateway to advanced languages. After mastering C, you'll find it much easier to learn languages like C++, Java, and even Python. It's like building a strong foundation for a skyscraper. C versus other programming languages. Now let's compare C with some other popular programming languages to understand its unique strengths. C versus C++. C++ is an extension of C with added object-oriented programming features. While C focuses on procedural programming, C++ allows you to think in terms of objects and classes. Use case C is best for low-level programming, while C++ shines in software development requiring complex designs. C versus Python. Python is high-level and easy to learn, but it sacrifices performance. C, on the other hand, gives you unmatched speed and control over system resources. Use case. Choose Python for rapid development, but C for system-critical applications like kernels. C versus Java. Java provides portability through its JVM. but it abstracts you away from memory management. C gives you complete control. Use case. Java is great for web and enterprise applications, while C is ideal for embedded and system programming. And that wraps up our overview of C programming. We've explored its history, applications, and its comparison with other languages. C may be old, but it's still gold in the programming world. In the next video, we'll dive into installing a C compiler and writing your first C program. But make sure to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more programming tutorials, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our next video. Also, let me know in the comments what excites you most about learning C programming. See you in the next video.